Hi y'all and happy holidays. So today is going to be a very different video. I thought this would be so much fun. I had one of those moments. If you had one of those moments in the shower where you're like, I should vlog that or I should do that. It was one of those moments this morning. So I was getting ready, trying to think through like, what do I want to do for my next video? It's the holidays, and so I'm actually going to a holiday tea today with some of my girlfriends. So I have a group of friends that the main one that kind of plans all of these, she's from England. So they're real big on tea parties in England. And so every quarter we get together as women. There's about a group of 4 to 6 of us that go out for tea. And today is very special because it is a Christmas tea and it is at the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel. So I'm so excited. I thought I would go ahead and vlog it, show you guys everything, the decorations. They're even having a silent auction. It's super cool. So I am running out of the house right now to pick up one of the girls to take with me. And then I thought what would also be great is I'm gonna cook this easy pasta dish for dinner. And so I thought we would just end this video with that. So I thought that would be a lot of fun. I mean, typically I just do cooking videos on this channel and fasting and some vlogs, but I just thought since it's the holidays, this would be fun. So if this is something that you're interested in, keep watching, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Let me just say this. I do a lot of different stuffs on this channel. So even if you do subscribe, you don't have to watch all of my videos. You can focus on the videos that you like. And so just to give you an idea, if you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I do cooking videos, mostly cooking, fasting, like intermittent fasting, alternate day fasting, kind of showing you guys what I eat during those times, what I do when I'm not fasting or when I am fasting. And then I do travel vlogs on this channel too. So that's why I thought, you know what, let me vlog this. So yeah, let's head out to Knott's Berry Farm Hotel. It's about an hour drive. So I've got some time to just kind of like wind down because I've been running like a chicken with my head cut off this morning. Okay, so it's a beautiful warm day in California. It's probably like 71. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. So I was craving a pumpkin spice frappuccino. Stopped at Starbucks. I'll be drinking this on the way since it's a long drive. And I forgot to show you guys this earlier. Look at these cute earrings. They're little tea. I can't tell if this one's the teapot or the teacup. Okay, this is the teapot. And then there's a teacup. How cute are those? So one of our tea buddies bought these for all of us a few years back. So exciting. Let's go. Okay, so I'm back from the Christmas tea. That was so much fun. The food wasn't the best, but tea sandwiches don't usually fill me up anyway, so I'm looking forward to cooking this pasta dish. It's super easy, so I'm going to go ahead and flip around my camera so you guys can kind of see all the ingredients and everything that goes into this meal. But it's probably, I saw a YouTuber do it and it looked very easy and simple. You just throw a bunch of ingredients into a pan, throw it into the oven, and the sauce, it makes its own sauce in there, and then you toss your pasta with it. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here's your ingredients. I like to use the dry pasta. This is pappardelle. This is really, really good. It's my favorite. Really, the ingredients are feta cheese, or you can use boursin. I'm actually going to mix both of them because I really like boursin. Cherry tomatoes, Italian seasoning, crushed red pepper, basil leaves, olive oil, and black pepper and garlic. That's it, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how to put everything together before you throw it in the oven. Okay, so first I'm going to start with mincing my garlic. I like fresh garlic. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so instead of using the whole block of feta, I did a little bit more than half, and then I've got the boursin. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just put in a whole tub of these cherry tomatoes. Now make sure you get cherry tomatoes and not grape tomatoes. These are more sweet for this particular recipe. I'm just gonna kind of spread them around. And now you're gonna add in your seasonings. I like to do a little bit of this Italian seasoning. Feta is already super salty. Just a little bit. Then we're gonna do some dried basil, but I'm also gonna put some fresh basil from my basil tree. Look at that. Look at all that yummy fresh basil. It's coming out very good. Oh, yeah, I guess not too bad. A little bit of crushed red pepper because we like our pasta spicy. Some black pepper. And then you're going to put a good amount of olive oil. Because what this is going to do is it's actually going to make a pasta sauce in the oven. And then you're pretty much just going to put this in the oven for about 10-15 minutes until the tomatoes are fully cooked at 375. All right, next I'm going to put some fresh basil from my tree. Just kind of like break it up. It smells so good. There's nothing like fresh basil. If you don't have a fresh basil plant and you love basil, you've got to get one. All right, and now we're going to put it in the oven. I'm actually going to use my toaster oven. But it is like a regular oven, so you can bake in there. I'm gonna bake it at 375 until all the tomatoes are completely cooked. Next, we're gonna cook our pasta water. And then save some of your pasta water so that way when you're making the sauce, you just add a tiny bit to it. So don't pour it all out when your pasta is done. Always put a little bit of salt in your pasta water. Let me see where my salt is. I'm getting a new, what am I trying to say? Seasonings tray that's gonna go here because my cabinets were breaking, the shelves. Oh, here's my salt. Somebody put it up in the cabinet. Gonna add a little bit to the water. And then if you don't know this, you do not put your pasta in the pan until it's boiling. All right, guys. So while that's cooking, I thought I would just jump on here and just kind of give you guys an update. As you can see, I changed my clothes. I went and got comfortable. I'm like, I'm taking the stress off. So it feels great. I'm in my office now, but fun story. I have taken up playing the keyboard. You can see it right here. My son-in-law actually gave it to me. I've had it on my vision board for a long time that I want to start learning how to play the piano. I'm 51 years old, never played. I do sing. I've always sing in church, sing in different groups growing up, and have always had a desire to learn how to play some sort of instrument. But it's just been within the last 5 years that I've desired to play the piano. So I took that up. I'm having so much fun learning how to play that. I'm playing like 1 to 2 hours a day using this app called Simply Piano. So if you've ever wanted to learn, I'll go ahead and link the app below so you can check it out. I'm not sponsoring this video or anything, but my son-in-law is subscribed to it. He actually is learning to play, and he gave me this keyboard. This is his original keyboard. He did get an upgraded one since then because it's a good starter one. And the app is like $350 a year or something like that. So he could add family members to it. So he added me. And so I didn't have to pay for anything. He gave me the keyboard. He added me to the app. So I'm just absolutely thrilled. I'm having so much fun learning a new skill at my age. And so thought I would just jump on here and share that with you guys. So the pasta's cooking. But it's that simple, you guys. I mean, you saw how quickly I was able to throw all that into that pan, throw it into the oven. You're going to take it out, stir up the juices, the tomatoes, mash it along with the cheese. You're going to add a little bit of pasta water, and then you're going to add your pasta to it. It's that simple. So I'll show you guys what that looks like when it's done. But I'm probably not going to be eating any of it. I am not feeling well. I think I'm coming down with a stomach bug. It started yesterday. And so after the tea, like obviously I ate everything. My friend paid for it. But my stomach's just not feeling well. I feel like I just want to taste it though, because I want to be able to give you guys feedback. And my husband, I can't get him to get on camera. So I could ask him what he thinks, but the likelihood of him allowing me to film him is slim to none. So that's that. So yeah, as soon as it's done, I will show you guys what, it looks like. And then that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Something fun, something different. My next video, I'm going to be posting 2 breakfast casseroles that you can have on Christmas. One savory, one sweet. I'm going to start filming that one tomorrow. So that should be up in a couple days. Yum. I can't even wait to try those. So if you want to see that video, subscribe to this channel. And you'll get a notification as soon as I upload it. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you in a bit. Let's check it. Okay, not quite yet. The tomatoes need to look like... Yeah, there's some of them are still a little hard. Okay, we're gonna check. Get a fork. What you're looking for is for the tomatoes just to like pop easy. Okay. Looks good. Okay, it should be done. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. All right, so let's just start mashing this up. This is going to be your pasta sauce. Okay, I saved a little pasta water. I don't think it needs much. I'm just going to add a little bit. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, guys. You don't even know. This smells so good. Okay, let's go ahead and toss it in. Wow, this looks so good. I'm not even hungry, but I'm gonna have to try it. All right, so I'm gonna toss it with some fresh Parmesan on top. And then I'm gonna add more fresh basil because why not? This is gonna be my husband's plate. Let's see, maybe he'll let me record him. Let's try. All right, husband approves. I am gonna take a little taste though. All right. Well, let's try. You know, it tastes very lemony, and I don't even add lemon. I did try the feta, and it was a very tangy feta. I wonder if it's that. Wow. I probably won't eat pasta the same again. Make my pasta sauce from hand. That is really good. You guys gotta try this. All right, so I'm gonna leave you guys here with this video. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun for me to film something different. And if you ever have a busy day like I had today and you need to make something quick, this pasta's it. It's really, really good. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.